Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today I'm going to show you how you can enable split mode for viewing on your Android 10 device. So in this case we have our Pixel 2 XL, and if you want to have your screen split in half using a different app above or below it, for example, if you want to watch a YouTube video while browsing the Google Play Store, you can have it divided into two apps in one screen real estate. So for example, you go to your YouTube, you can have your multitask view here, and then on top of that you can see the icon for the app. So if your app is supporting split screen mode, you might be able to see the split screen option here. So you tap on that, and then the first app is on standby, so you have to choose another app that will use up the other half of the screen. So for example, you have your Google Play Store. So that's what you can see. You have your YouTube app and then your Google Play Store app below it. So both apps are active, so you can see that the view for the YouTube is adapted to the size of the screen that's allotted to it. So if you tap here, you can watch the YouTube video using the space provided. And then the Google Play Store is also active, so you can browse for apps, you can download a game, you can update your apps here. Then you can also resize, so if you want more of the YouTube space, so if you want to decrease that, you can move up. So you just drag the border in the middle of them. So if you want to exit and you want to only choose YouTube, you're done with your apps here, you can just simply drag it down to close the other one. So you have your full YouTube app running in a single screen. So you can also choose other apps. So some apps are not supported, so you might want to consider checking them out first. So you have DuckDuckGo, my browser of choice, and then we can choose, of course, again, YouTube. So you can search above, you can watch a YouTube video. So this is good for productivity. And then to exit, you can simply drag it down or drag up, depending on which apps you want to retain. So that's it. Hope this helps you and increase your productivity in using your smartphone. And if you like this tips and tricks video, you can subscribe to Sydney CBD Repair Center. And if you want to have your smartphone fixed, you can contact us in the details below. So till next time guys, cheers.